This again goes to show that in Congress party, not only now, from the very beginning, High Command is supreme. Like our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, like he told, the day the Congress High Command tells me to step down, I would do so. And irrespective of the governor being in Bangalore or no, as he kept his word, as the High Command told him to resign, he immediately tendered his resignation and is proceeded to Delhi to meet Madam Sonia Gandhi as well as Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and our Congress President.
Aim right, achieve big. At KR Mangalam University, we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. So this paves the way. Next, I think in a day or two, the Congress Legislature Party meeting will be called. And then they will probably take the opinion of everyone. And you know that who could be the Chief Minister very soon.
And sir, how do you see this smooth transition of the power which we are seeing? You are saying that the CLP meeting will take place and that the leader will be chosen in that meeting, and so he will be the Chief Minister.
Yeah.
But how do you see the transfer of power? What you are saying, that High Command is supreme. But as a person, as a leader, how do you see now Siddaramaiah ji? And because he has also said that he refused to go to Rajya Sabha, he wants to serve the people because he has 2 more years as an MLA.
Siddaramaiah has always maintained that he's been with the people of Karnataka, and the people of Karnataka have given him an opportunity to serve again as an MLA from Varuna constituency. So yesterday in the press briefing, he said that since they blessed him for 5 years, he would want to stay here for 5 years. And obviously the High Command has requested him, has suggested him to come to Delhi as a Rajya Sabha member, where I think in the due time he will take a call on that.